How to fix Roblox. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings error on iPhone and Android. Let's get started. Launch your Roblox app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Click on these three dots given at the bottom right corner. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Scroll down, you will find the option of settings. Click on it. Now navigate to the option of privacy. Now over here, you will find this option of account restrictions. Toggle off for this option. Enter the PIN if you have created. After you disable account restrictions, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, head back. Go ahead and click on this option of parental controls. Now you have to disable for the option of parent PIN enabled. After you disable for the option of parental PIN, you will be good to go. After you change these settings, you can first quit your Roblox app in this way. Now again launch it. Now I can try to play the game. With that, green play button will be available. Well, this is how you can fix Roblox. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings error on iPhone and Android. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.